Oh no, the small plants are dry. I need a lot of water now. I turn on the water faucet. Wow, the water comes out fast. The green lettuce loves wet mud. The green lettuce loves wet mud. Welcome to my big green farm. Welcome to my big green farm. I am a very happy farmer. I am a very happy farmer. Look at these beautiful tomato plants. Look at these beautiful tomato plants. The sweet tomatoes are bright red. The sweet tomatoes are bright red. I also grow many carrots here. I also grow many carrots here. The green leaves grow very fast. The green leaves grow very fast. I love my plants very much. I love my plants very much. The afternoon sun is very hot. The afternoon sun is very hot. Oh no, the small plants are dry. Oh no, the small plants are dry. I need a lot of water now. I need a lot of water now. I turn on the water faucet. I turn on the water faucet. Wait, there is no water here. Wait, there is no water here. The green hose is completely empty. The green hose is completely empty. My poor plants need water fast. My poor plants need water fast. I must fix this broken faucet. I must fix this broken faucet. I look for my toolbox. I look for my toolbox. I have a big metal wrench. I have a big metal wrench. I fix the rusty faucet now. I fix the rusty faucet now. Wow, the water comes out fast. Wow, the water comes out fast. I bring water to my plants. I bring water to my plants. I spray clean water on leaves. I spray clean water on leaves. The green lettuce loves wet mud. The green lettuce loves wet mud. Now all my crops are safe. Now all my crops are safe. The big farm gets cool again. The big farm gets cool again. It is time for harvest now. It is time for harvest now. I pick many big red tomatoes. I pick many big red tomatoes. These sweet tomatoes look so fresh. These sweet tomatoes look so fresh. I pull a big carrot out. I pull a big carrot out. Wow, this carrot is very long. Wow, this carrot is very long. I put orange carrots into basket. I put orange carrots into basket. My wooden basket is full now. My wooden basket is full now. I have a great harvest today. I have a great harvest today. I go inside my red barn. I go inside my red barn. I put my straw hat away. I put my straw hat away. This fresh tomato tastes so sweet. This fresh tomato tastes so sweet.
I feel very tired but happy. I feel very tired but happy. A long farm day is over. A long farm day is over. Goodbye and see you next time. Goodbye and see you next time.